Hello children. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 5, Presentation Visual Effects. In this chapter we will learn the following topics. We will learn Introduction to PowerPoint, applying animation effects, adding transition effects, inserting sound and video clips, using action buttons, importing data from Word, viewing presentation and slide master. Previously, we have discussed the following topics from this chapter. We have learned Introduction to PowerPoint, applying animation effects, adding transition effects, inserting sound using sound from a file option, and record audio narration option. We have also learned how to insert video clip and how to use action buttons. Today in this video, we will learn from page number 52 that how to import data from Word. Now open your computer book at page number 52. Here you will see the heading Importing Data from Word, where PowerPoint provides us the facility to import data from other applications like MS Word, MS Excel, etc. Here are the steps to import data from Word file. Step number 1. Click on Start button. From Start submenu, click on Word 2016. Step number 2. Click on View tab. Step number 3. Click on Outline button. Step number 4. Type the text. Step number 5. Click on Close Outline View button. Then select the text and do required changes. Now look at the step number 7. After making changes, we have to save the file with your name. And then we have to exit from Microsoft Word. Let's do it practically now. Click on Start button. From Start submenu, click on Word 2016. After clicking on Word 2016, here you have to select the option Blank Document. After clicking on Blank Document, you will notice Word window will appear on your screen. Now click on View tab. From View tab, under Views group, we have to select the option Outline. Now we have to type the text that we want to display on our presentation. For example, I am going to write here types of software. Then I will write down the software's name like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, CorelDRAW, Flash, and Adobe Photoshop. Now I have written the text. Now I will do required changes. Now to make changes, first of all select the text. For example, I am going to select types of software. Now from Outline Tools group, click on Heading Levels drop-down arrow. From there, you can choose any heading level, like I'm going to select level 1. Now select the second number text, that is Microsoft Word. Again click on drop-down arrow of heading levels and select heading level 2. Now select the other text. Click on heading level drop-down arrow and click on heading level 3. Now in the same way, select the other text, that is CorelDRAW. Click on heading level drop-down arrow and select heading level 1 option. In the same way, select the next text, that is Flash. Click on drop-down arrow of heading level and select the other heading style, that is level 2. In the same way, select the last text, that is Adobe Photoshop. Now again, from heading levels drop-down arrow, click on heading level 3 option. Now after making changes, we have to click on Close Outline View button. Now you will notice after making changes, your text will appear on your document. Now we have to save this file with our name. To save the file, click on File tab. From File drop-down menu, click on Save option. There you have to choose the location where you want to save your file. For example, I am going to select the option Desktop. Now type your name of the file. For example, I have typed here class 6th. On desktop, my file will be saved. Now click on Save button. Here you can see on the title bar, your name of the file will display. Now click on Cross button to exit from Word. Now look at your book at page number 52. Here you will see in point number 8, we have to start PowerPoint and open any existing presentation. Then step number 9, click on View tab. Step number 10, select the option Slide Sorter button. Step number 11, click on New Slide Buttons drop-down menu. Step number 12, select the Slides from Outline option. Then you will notice Insert Outline dialog box will appear. Step number 13, find your Word file. Step number 14, select the file. Step number 15, click on Open button. Let's see it practically now. Now click on Start button. From Start sub-menu, click on PowerPoint 2016. Here you will see I will click on PowerPoint 2016. After clicking on PowerPoint 2016, you have to click on Blank Presentation. After clicking on Blank Presentation, you will get PowerPoint window on your screen. Now we have to open any existing presentation. Click on File tab. From File submenu, you will see here all the files that you have made in PowerPoint will appear. Click on any file. For example, I have selected the presentation file of Save Trees. Now click on View tab. From View tab, under Presentation Views, click on Slide Sorter button. After clicking on Slide Sorter button, you will get all the slides in thumbnail view. Now click on Home tab. From Home tab, under Slides group, click on New Slide Buttons drop-down arrow. From there you have to choose the option Slide from Outline. After clicking on Slide from Outline, you will get Insert Outline dialog box on your screen. Now you have to type the name of file that you want to insert. For example, I have saved the Word file with the name Class 6th, and I will type the name and then select your file. Now click on Open button. Here you will see the Word file that you have created will appear in your presentation. Now click on View tab. From Presentation Views, click on Normal View button, and you will get the slides in your normal view. Till now, in today's video, we have learned how to import data from Word. Now revise all the step questions till done.